All right, let's get right into this. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're bringing you a completely no-fluff, highly actionable breakdown of honestly one of the most compelling agency growth strategies out there right now. We're going to dive deep into a blueprint for building and, more importantly, selling AI voice agents using the GoHighLevel platform. The ultimate goal for us today? Rapidly and aggressively scaling your agency's monthly recurring revenue. Look, if you're an agency owner, you already know the pain points. The absolute hardest parts of scaling are lead generation, closing those leads, and then actually fulfilling the service without completely destroying your profit margins in the process, right? Well, what we're unpacking today is a system that literally uses AI to solve all of those bottlenecks at the exact same time. It is a strategy focused purely on high-leverage tasks. So get ready, grab a notepad if you need to, because we're going to break down exactly how you can deploy an automated AI sales system to completely transform your growth trajectory. Now, before we get into the nuts and bolts, I want you to hear this. This isn't some theoretical pie-in-the-sky script. This is a real transcription from a live lead calling an AI sales rep, an AI named Hope. So the lead is calling in and they're impatient. They actually interrupt the bot, saying, "I just want more leads. Let's cut the fluff. I don't care. What are my next steps forward?" Now, think about the clunky automated systems you've dealt with in the past. A poorly programmed bot would completely break down here, right? It would probably just repeat a main menu. But what did this AI do? It immediately pivoted. It replied, "Understood," straight to the point. The next step is to book a quick strategy call with one of our consultants. Would you like to see what appointment slots are open? Guys, without missing a single beat, it handled a serious curveball from an impatient, grumpy prospect and pushed directly for the conversion goal. That is the level of sophistication we are dealing with here. It sounds human, it reacts dynamically, and it is relentless about getting that calendar booking. So here is the exact blueprint we're covering today. Number 1. The AI sales agent. Number 2, the lead generation system. Number 3, the agency growth math. Number 4, building your AI agent. And number 5, maximizing profit margins. Let's jump straight in. Section 1, the AI sales agent, building the ultimate proof of concept. Okay, so we aren't just talking about building these really cool AI agents for your clients. We are talking about using the agent itself to actually acquire those clients in the first place. It's a brilliant move, kind of a Trojan horse strategy. Think about it like this. If you want to sell an AI receptionist to a local business, let's say a local chiropractor, or a busy dental office, the absolute ultimate proof of concept is having your own AI sales rep pitch the service to them directly over the phone. Instead of sending out 100 cold emails promising you have this great AI voice technology, the business owner actually experiences the product firsthand. Your AI agent acts as your agency's frontline sales rep. So when that prospect hears how incredibly smooth the voice is, how perfectly it handles their objections, and how efficiently it tries to book a meeting with them, the product is practically selling itself. You are proving the undeniable value in real time right there on the call before you ever even ask for a dime of their business. Moving right along to Section 2, the lead generation system, hijacking local attention. Now that we have the concept of the agent in place, how do we actually get these local business owners on the phone to experience it? Well, this entire client acquisition flow starts with a remarkably simple, low-effort daily routine. Step 1, you wake up, you take maybe 5 minutes, and you post in highly targeted local Facebook groups. We're talking about groups like Tampa Bay Business Professionals, which has tens of thousands of members. And obviously, you can do this for any city or region. Step 2, your post drives leads to pick up the phone and call your AI agent's designated number directly. Step 3, the agent answers the phone, gathers their information, drops notes into your system, and books that qualified lead straight onto your calendar. And then finally, Step 4, you or a human closer on your team steps in for the high leverage work of actually selling the service during that booked appointment. You are essentially generating hundreds of direct, inbound calls to your AI using completely free organic traffic. It's beautiful. But you don't just post some boring, corporate-sounding ad. Nobody cares about that. Instead, you use a highly specific hook. You challenge them. You post something like, "Want to be the only business taking calls after 5 p.m.? So when your competition is closed, you're scooping up 100% of the market demand?" You tell them you've built an AI receptionist that takes calls 24/7, never misses a beat, and sounds completely human. But here's the real kicker, the absolute genius part. You dare them. You say, "If you don't believe me, call it right here and throw it a curveball." And you just drop the phone number right there in the post. You're tapping directly into the business owner's ego and their natural curiosity. They want to call it just to test it, just to see if they can break it. And the second they call, boom, your AI agent captures them. This acquisition flow really builds out the core foundation of your entire agency. By automating the front-end scheduling with your AI, your agency gets to focus exclusively on the core pillars that actually drive revenue. Look, you let the AI get the booked calls. That's handled. Then, your human team focuses solely on selling the service, which is your high-ticket, high-leverage task. Next is fulfillment. And because of how the GoHighLevel platform is structured, actually building out this AI agent for your brand new client takes only about 20 to 30 minutes. It is unbelievably fast. And finally, you retain the client on a monthly recurring basis. You have completely eliminated that agonizing, soul-crushing prospecting phase and have replaced it with an automated system that fills your calendar with warm, practically pre-sold leads. All right, Section 3, the agency growth math, visualizing the scale. I love this part because we don't operate on guesses or gut feelings here. We operate on data. Let's look at the compounding effect of these daily actions. If you're putting up these organic posts in Facebook groups every day and you manage to push 100 people a day to call your AI number, the conversion metrics are just stunning. Out of those 100 calls, you're going to secure at least 7 booked meetings daily on your calendar. Multiply that by 30 days, and you are looking at 210 booked meetings every single month. Now, the data shows that a solid closer can easily hit over a 40% close rate on these warm, pre-qualified leads. Look, even if you start lower as you're learning, it's great. But at a 40% close rate on 210 meetings, you're acquiring 87 brand new clients in a single month. That is explosive, agency-defining growth, driven entirely by a few Facebook posts and a very smart AI front desk. And let's translate those 87 clients into real dollars. If you sell this service at a highly conservative price point, let's say $497 per month per client, though honestly it's recommended to price it anywhere between $497 and $1,000 a month. But at the low end, those 87 clients translate to a massive $43,000 in monthly recurring revenue, 43 grand a month. And remember, this is from a service that literally takes you 20 to 30 minutes to fulfill per client. This math right here is exactly why this blueprint is such an incredibly high-leverage agency model. You are no longer trading countless hours for a few dollars. You're leveraging software to do all the heavy lifting on both the acquisition side and the fulfillment side. Okay, let's look at Section 4, building your AI agent, the GoHighLevel configuration. So, the math is totally undeniable, right? But you're probably wondering, how hard is the actual tech part? Well, setting up the agent is incredibly streamlined inside GoHighLevel. Like we said, it takes less than 30 minutes to get it fully configured for any niche. You start by creating a custom agent profile, giving it a name like chiropractor receptionist or whatever fits. But here is a critical technical detail you cannot skip. You must set a non-interruptible initial message. Why is that so absolutely crucial? Because when that prospect calls, you want the AI to confidently start by saying, "Hey, you've reached XYZ agency. How can I help you today?" without the human caller being able to talk over it and break the sequence right at the start. It establishes control instantly. Next, the brain of the operation relies on a knowledge base. You literally just feed ChatGPT all the details about the client's business, their website, their tone of voice, and ask it to generate a master prompt. You paste that prompt right into GoHighLevel, define strict goals for the agent, like discovering the caller's needs and handling specific objections, and boom, the AI is ready to roll. Now, you also have total control over the actual processing engine that's powering your agent. Inside the platform, you literally just select which language model you want to run. You might choose GPT-4 Standard, which gives you premium quality and really deep reasoning. But if you're running that Facebook strategy we talked about and you're expecting massive call volume, hundreds of test calls a week, you can switch the engine over to GPT-4 Nano. Nano is highly cost-effective. We're talking 0.005 cents per minute. It's practically free. This allows you to perfectly balance the speed of the AI's response and the quality of the conversation against your own operational costs. Plus, you get to choose from different voices and adjust the speaking speeds to make the agent sound exactly how you or your client wants it to sound. But it's not just a talking brochure, right? The agent actually needs to perform actions. You configure it to have 24/7 phone availability, which means your client's business never ever misses an after-hours opportunity again. The agent is also integrated directly with the client's calendar, allowing it to seamlessly check availability and book actual appointments mid-conversation, just like that example we heard at the very beginning. But honestly, the absolute most powerful feature here is the backup to missed phone pool calls. If someone calls a business's main line during the day and the human receptionist is busy or in the bathroom and no one answers, the AI agent automatically intercepts and picks up the call. This is a massive, massive selling point for local businesses because it guarantees absolutely zero leaked leads. Every single missed call is instantly recaptured by the AI.
Which brings us to our final part, Section 5, maximizing profit margins, the software arbitrage play. Delivering a life-changing service to your clients is great, but at the end of the day, as an agency owner, your priority has to be profitability. So the crucial question is how you actually manage your software costs. Now, by default, GoHighLevel offers a pay-as-you-go plan, which runs you about 65 cents per minute of AI conversation. If you have a client with crazy high call volume, that per-minute charge can eat away at your margins incredibly fast. However, smart agency owners don't do that. They bypass the per-minute trap entirely and upgrade straight to the unlimited AI employee plan. This is a flat rate of roughly $97 per month for unlimited credits. So instead of bleeding your margins dry on a per-minute basis every single time a customer calls your client, your operational cost is permanently capped.
And that flat rate fundamentally transforms your bottom line. Just look at this margin breakdown. If you are out there selling this AI receptionist service to a client for $1,000 a month, which, by the way, is highly realistic given the sheer value of 24/7 lead capture, and your software cost to run that bot is strictly capped at that $97 flat rate, your agency is operating with an incredible 90% profit margin. Let that sink in. It is pure software arbitrage. You are buying unlimited access at wholesale, and you are turning around and selling the customized, high-value end result at retail. And remember what we said earlier? Fulfilling the setup only took you about 30 minutes. Once it's up, the ongoing maintenance is basically zero, which makes that 90% margin essentially passive recurring revenue. Okay, we've covered a serious amount of ground in this explainer today. The exact blueprint is fully laid out right in front of you. You have seen the Trojan horse acquisition strategy to prove the value immediately. You've seen the organic, totally free lead generation system. You've seen the step-by-step 30-minute technical setup in GoHighLevel. And you've seen the undeniable hard math that leads you to those glorious 90% profit margins. The technology isn't years away. It is completely ready and accessible to you right now. So the only real question left is, how quickly are you going to execute on this? Are you going to keep doing things the hard way, or are you ready to cut the fluff, deploy an automated AI sales system, and aggressively scale your agency's recurring revenue? Think about how implementing just one of these AI agents could completely change your workflow this week. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I highly, highly encourage you to start experimenting with this tech today.